Football is ingrained in the culture of the Faroe Islands, and the Faroe Islands Football Association has enabled the sport to thrive. Founded on the 13th of January 1979, the Faroe Islands Football Association has grown along with the football culture. With 21 member clubs, encompassing some 6,000 individual members, the association offers a multitude of activities today. Offering so many options, the association employs many people, including all the coaches responsible for the variety of adult and youth teams across the Faroe Islands. Faroese football competitions begin in the middle of March and end in October. Preparing for the season requires time for organizing and coordinating the various competitions across the Faroe Islands. During the off-season, courses and events are also held to train coaches and referees. The association manages 7 adult and youth all-Faroese teams, in addition to the men's national team, which requires a great deal of international coordination. Every year, these teams participate in competitions around the world. The Faroese national team has produced some exciting moments over the years and looks forward to offering many more in the future. The Faroe Islands Football Association, cultivating the future of Faroese football.